So yeah, I'll be taking a right. There's a right down here I'll be taking, and then there's a couple more rights that I'll be taking. I am going to just kind of hope nobody's coming. I'm going to kind of go in the middle of the road. Yeah. Now I'm doing the gas because my rear tire is muddy, and it's what. We're good? We're good. Okay. Let's see what this is. So it's very overgrown. What? So, oh, hi, Bunny. How you doing there, Bunny? Yep. Traction control kicked my ass there. I know it sucks, but it's helping me from overdoing it in my rear tire. So there's still some things about traction, the lack of traction situations that I haven't quite got my head around yet. Haven't quite sunken into second nature. I do find that when I'm in an area that I'm familiar with, riding at full power with traction control off is much more satisfying. And oh, okay. Big. Oh, that's not bad. Okay. It's in a big old. I mean, it's muddy. It's certainly muddy. But like, I'm not trespassing nowhere. I'm just fighting for the fun to see what's going on. This is real. How's this? How far does this go? Okay, so there's like a trail. There's some creek or something there. I'm gonna have to come back on a dry day. Check this out. This is cool. Now I know. Man, I said back when I was into other places. This has been certainly a challenging but a rewarding day for sure. So we came out from the left, so we'll continue to the right. Oh, that's pretty big. So it's really pretty. Yeah, okay. I'm two roads, very smooth. Okay, so the one to the left, I believe, is the, oh, there's the gate up there. So it's up to the sun or something. Jams to go through this. Fuck it, why not? Okay, all right. Anything like that? Yeah, I'm not ready to do this, guys. I'm so sorry. Because I don't know how squishy that remote's going to be. I don't know how deep it's going to be. Like, I just don't want to get my bike stuck. And it just rained, man. I know this is a potential outcome, so that's why I had a lot of options for today. There's certain things of this variety that I'm going to be comfortable with, such as going down that big fucking hill. And some things I'm not, like a tiny little mud puddle that should probably have no issues going over. Well, I made it further than I did in January. I want to call that a win. Because it's not like I'm going to be able to pick this stuff up overnight. Develop my confidence to a point where I can splash through this and not have any issues. I have to practice. I have to get better. And there's only one way to do that. And I'm doing it. If I was going to be able to do that, there's a whole loop down through here that I was going to do, but that is not in the cards today. Just for